that snow, folks. In Canada. Look how bad that is. Woo, damn. He's blowing good. No doubt about that. I want people to get a look at this. There, guys, in Canada, look at the snowstorm we have here. It's amazing. That's just a little quick like squirrel we get here. Just thought I'd throw that in there. Let everybody get a good look at it. That's what I'm talking about.